Good evening, everyone. I'm Naina, and I'm from Dev3Pack. So this amazing picture you see here, it's Dev3Pack crew at eGlobal Buenos Aires. And you might be wondering what is Dev3Pack, right? So Dev3Pack is a global fellowship which onboards women who are coming from Web 2 to Web 3 in Ethereum. And 87% of our membership is from emerging markets, and it's not about just learning and reading documentation. We focus on open source building and long-term projects. We don't do this alone. We are supported by one of the biggest heavyweights of the industry. As you can see, Base, Ethereum Foundation, Farcaster, you name it. And they help provide resources so that our developers can focus on only building. So over the last year, we achieved a viral growth. We conducted one village during DevConnect Argentina, and there was one job fair. Over 2,200 applications from 95 plus countries. And it's not just this, over 70 plus developers at eGlobal Argentina were from Dev3Pack, and they won a lot of prizes. And along with this, 15% of the DevCon volunteers were from Dev3Pack itself. Now, if you are new in Web3 or have been here a while, you know that job market is saturated. So you cannot just learn one skill and expect to get a job. It's a whole process. You onboard, you go to local meetups, you network with people, and you start building your own projects. You start contributing to open source. If you want to take your project to a startup level, you do that. If you want to, you can work on contract basis, find an internship, then a junior role and senior role. Or you can take your startup off the ground. So how Dev3Pack helps in this is by our academy, which conducts online boot camps which are community-led and for the community. So we have boot camps across these 5 main tracks, which is Solidity and Foundry, AI and mini apps, DeFi, ZK and privacy, and women in protocol. So if you're on X or keep up with Web3 trends, you know that mini apps on Base and Farcaster and agents are very huge right now. So there's this 1-week intensive bootcamp for beginner developers. In this, you can ship your first mini app, ship your first agent, and take it to a global hackathon level, for example, Farhacks or Base Batches. Then for intermediate developers, we have DeFi bootcamp, in which you learn everything about Uniswap hooks and VFO, and it's a 3 weeks program. Then for the advanced crowd over here, we have ZK and Privacy Bootcamp, in which we solely focus on Rust and ZK cryptography. And this is a 1-month intensive bootcamp where you contribute to open source projects. So we are a global fellowship, but we also have a lot of local chapters here. For example, Argentina, Bolivia, Peru, Nigeria, and Kenya. But there's a very obvious missing piece of puzzle here, right? So this is what I'm here for today. We are launching Dev3Pack India chapter. We already have over 100 plus members from India, and we are constantly onboarding more. So if you can just scan this QR code and support us by following our socials and all the updates that are happening in India regarding Dev3Pack, you'll find here. Okay. So our playbook for India is, there'll be university tours where we'll educate and onboard students to Dev3Pack. There'll be local meetups. There'll be we'll be collaborating with the local communities and expanding beyond the capital cities as well. And keep your phones on, keep your camera on, because you're not gonna need to capture this and scan the QR codes next. We are conducting one of the biggest AI and Web3 hackathon for students. It will be a hybrid hackathon, which will be online, but there will be satellite hubs, over 30 plus, in different countries, and where you can come, hack with your team, and get mentorship. And it is gonna be in May, so find a team, or you can register solo as well. After this, after the hackathon, if you build a very good project and you want to ship it, you want to take it to a startup level, what you can do is onboard to our Founders 101 program. Top 3 teams for every country would be onboarded to this program. You will get proper mentorship as a founder and how to raise funds. You'll be educated about all this. So you might want to be involved with Dev3Pack right now because, as you all know, DevCon is coming in November, and Dev3Pack is organizing a very special program for all Dev3Pack members. So if you can scan this QR code, send it to your friends. If you have any Web2 friends who are trying to get onboarded to Web3, learning development, they can register to this, and DevCon would be very special for us. Once again, I'm Naina Sachdev, and I'll be leading Dev3Pack India chapter. Along with this, I am DevRel Ambassador at Base, and if you want to talk about what you're building in AI, on Base, or anything in that matter, you can find me after this. And you can scan this QR code. These are my socials if you want to stay connected. Thank you. Does anyone have any questions? Yeah.
Engineers.
No, it's only going to be for the students.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyone else? All right. Thank you. Thank you, Mumbai.